Welcome to the Gilliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change password in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on your start button. From here, just click on settings. Then when settings loads up, just go to accounts. Then from accounts, you just need to go to the left hand menu and click on sign in options. Then you'll find a list of sign in options here, and we want to change our password. So just click on password and let it load. After it loads, you'll find an option called change. Just click on change. Then it will ask you for your current password. Just enter your current password and click on next. Then it will ask you to give a new password. Just give any other password. Confirm the password again. And you can give a password hint here. After that, just click on next. And then just click on finish. And done. And that is how to change password in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.